Alright guys, listen in. Today we got a serious project out here we're going to take care of. We got a little screen issue going on out here. So y'all check this out. We're going to get this thing fixed up. Look, right here we got this little construction deal going on. Somebody didn't like their dog, so they gave him this huge doggy door to drop off the cliff on. Then over here we got a little rip screen action. So we're gonna go ahead and take out this whole doggy door situation and fix the screen. Phase 1, demolition man. Safety goggles on. I don't know what this trash is, but we're just gonna get rid of it. Hang on. Ask you to get the video. Get it right now. You reshoot that.
I didn't know you were videoing. Are you really that mad? You need one of those recording in progress. You fixed your socks.
Rippity-doo-dah, rippity-doo. Plenty of, well, rainstorms coming my way. This ripping down. Oh yeah, we're not really ripping down these boards. We didn't really need to get out the table saw for this one. Just kind of getting a few cuts here, but I made it nice and simple. Didn't have to get out the handsaw and all that jazz, and it's set up. While it rains, we paint. know how long this has been in the shed, so we gotta give it a good shake. Well, the sun hath come, but this ain't no itsy bitsy spider. It ain't dried up all the rain. Nevertheless, we can get back to work. I got all the boards painted, they're drying. They should be good here in a minute. So we're gonna get the screen set in here. So what I'm gonna do is come on the inside here. And so I'm trying to measure and cut this bad boy. I'm just gonna take it here. It's gonna go from here. I'm just gonna tack it. I had a thumbtack. I don't know what I did with it. I'm sure one of the kids will find it later. Probably their foot. Just gonna tack this bad boy on here. Go. Y'all check it out. Got everything framed back in. All I gotta do is put the railing inside. I didn't want to bore y'all with me screwing boards to the dang wall. Missing that little guy too. I gotta get that in there, but easy peasy. Anyways, wife says I'm smelling like a dang pig and I need a shower. So if y'all want to check out my fans only and see what's going on in there, y'all check me out. 40 fixedish onlyfans.com/fixedish 4239.56. Yes, I know Fixedish is taken on OnlyFans. Yes, it was. Somebody tried to jump on my thunder, but y'all check it out. Tip me, hit me up. Thank you.